Come on, Sarah. Why can't we just stop by some sort of store or something and have some food? Okay. Sis, stop complaining and whining at me and just act like your normal self. I am perfectly fine. There's nothing wrong with me. The only thing is that I am starving. Okay, just chill. Wait, hold on, what's this? Ow, you tripped me over. Sorry. But look. Huh? It looks like to me a cafe. Can we go in? But we have to see if there's anyone in there first. Fine. You go knock. Why me? Because you're the elder one. Do I always have to let you do everything? Alright, fine. You go knock, and if we are able to go in, you get the menu first. Okay? And will you stop complaining? Yes, I just need some food. Then I'll stop complaining. Okay. Deal. Hello? Excuse me, is anyone there? It says that they are open. I don't know. Excuse me, hello? Oh, hi. How can I help you? Oh, we were just stopping by and, we're getting pretty hungry, so we stopped by a cafe, and I was wondering, if, we could come in and, take a bite. Oh, no problem. You're currently open. Come on in. I'll pass you your menus. Wow, that was a nice lady. Okay, but I'm just gonna go in before you because I'm starving. Sisters. Here's your seat, girls. Finally, food. Okay, thank you. Alright, your food shall be served shortly after I have taken your orders. So take your time. Yes. Can I look at the menu first because I am dying right now? Alright, whatever you say. So, a plate of muffins, one apple pie, and a slice of cake. Am I correct? Yes. Yep. Thank you. No problem. Your food shall be served very shortly. I'll be right back. Susan? Yeah, hold on. I'm busy washing the dishes. Alright. Yeah? What is it? Oh, some orders. That's all. Alright. No problem. Just say that their food will be, back in about a few minutes. Yeah, I already told them that their order will be at the table pretty soon. Alright. Thanks. Need help? No, it's okay. I'm fine. Alright. I'll be in the storeroom. Okay. Okay, let's continue washing these dishes. done. So the order was, yes, the muffins are ready. Wait, hold on, the pie is still baking. Alright, let's take one of my clean plates. Place the muffin. Okay, let's see. Nope, it's not ready yet. Okay, let's see. A slice of cake. Which cake was it? Right. I'm pretty sure it's this cake. Okay, let's place this on the counter. Let's get a clean plate. Okay, shake it a little bit. Okay, place the cake onto the plate. Alright, cake is served. And the last order I think was pie. So let's see if the pie is ready. Smells pretty good. Alright, grab the plate and serve up. Alright, pie is ready. Okay, let's pop these muffins. Just pop them in the oven. Okay, hopefully we'll keep them a bit warm. Sally, the food is ready. Alright, I'm gonna serve all these food up. And here is your cake. Please enjoy. And also, would you like any drinks? Just some juice, please. Sis, can I steal some of your juice? Fine, I'll share with you. You don't need to steal all my stuff. Alright. Some juice coming right up. Finally. Ouch. Seriously, sis? I'm so sorry to bother you and make you rebake the treats. Oh no, it's fine, it's fine. Right here are the fresh muffins and pie. Please be careful to not drop them on the floor. Now the floor smells like pie. I'm so sorry. It's okay, it's fine. Okay. I'm just gonna grab you the juice. Please be careful. Sis, I'm sorry. Ugh. Don't worry, this Susan. Yeah? I can't believe it. I spent a whole day baking those cakes. I'm sorry about that. Sometimes customers can be a little clumsy. Okay, let's grab them the juice. Where is my juice? There it is. Oh, I'm so sorry. It's alright, I'm fine. Okay. See you later, Susan. See ya. Here you go. Here is your juice. OMG, I'm so sorry, miss. Ow. It's okay. It's fine. And thanks for the food and your kind service. No, it's alright. Okay, enjoy your food. I'm sorry, I didn't mean it. Mean it. Just please eat your food with care. Alright, if not, I'm gonna shove the pie in your face. Then don't do it again. Come on, just enjoy the food without spilling it on the floor. Okay. Sis, stop doing that, it's annoying. what? The food's good. Just stop smacking your lips. Alright, fine, I'll stop. This juice is great. Can I have the last sip? Alright, fine. Thanks, sis. Phew, that was the last bit of juice. Really, sis? You don't have to be that loud. Haha, I learned from you. Isn't this such a wonderful... What happened? Susan, please be careful with the plates. I'm sorry. Nothing. Well, you did say customers were clumsy sometimes. You can also be clumsy. Alright. I'll get rid of this plate. So, honey, how's everything? Everything's good, sweetheart. No. What now, sweetheart? Ew! Ew, did he just fart? Honey, I told you not to fart in public like that. I'm sorry. Wait. Much better. Really, honey? Are you challenging me? No. I think you are. Bring it on. In here? I don't care. Hey. Yeah? Are you talking to us? Yeah, you. I know this may be disgusting, but I want you to be the judge. What judge? The judge to see who is gassier. Seriously? Hey, I remember these challenges when I did as a kid. Bring it on. Alright. Honey, you first. Alright. 3, 2, 1. That was loud, honey. I think I can beat you that. No, you can't. Yes, I can. You. Wait. Hold on. One more. I didn't know girls burp. Oh well.